In this video, I'm going to be going over how to wrap text around an image in WordPress step by step. Wrapping text around an image in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you'll successfully have your text wrapped around an image for your WordPress site. Let's get started. I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. In the left side menu, find the Pages or Post tab, whichever you want to wrap text around an image in WordPress for. The steps are identical whether you're wrapping text around an image in a post or a page on your WordPress site. I'll click Post. It'll now pull up the post on your site. I'll choose a post and click the Edit button. You'll now be on the editor for the WordPress post or WordPress page, depending on which one you chose. Scroll down to an area where you want to wrap a text around an image in WordPress. Click the plus icon. You can also click the plus icon up here at the top. I'll click the plus icon here. I'll click Browse All. From the side, under Blocks, find the Media and Text block. Click it. Where you see content, click in this area. You can now add text you'd like to the WordPress post or page. For this tutorial, I'll paste in text. If you click the paragraph icon, click Transform to Heading if you want to make the text a heading. I'll change it back to paragraph. You can make other customizations to the text area here. Next, click the Upload button to add an image from your computer. Click Media Library to upload an image already uploaded into WordPress. I'll click Media Library. I'll select an image. I'll click Select. The image is now added into the WordPress post or page next to the text. Next, if you click Change Vertical Alignment, you can then change the alignment of the text with the image. I want to center it, so I'll click Middle. The text is now centered with the image. If you click the Align icon, you can then change it from None to Wide Width and Full Width. I'll change it back to None. Next, there is the Show Media on the right and left that you can select. I'll select one. You'll see it'll change the text and image. Click the Update button. Click the Preview tab. You'll now see the preview of the change and the text is wrapped around the image. That's all there is to it. That is my tutorial on how to wrap text around an image in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.